Yeah, start.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So, a liquid chromatograph. Okay, so it's that moment in a deeply meaningful relationship when you really want to know what you've actually got. It's time to take the clothes off, right? So, you start with the mobile phase. Okay? Mobile phase is a mixture of solvents and it's buffered at a constant pH. So when carbon dioxide dissolves into this, the pH doesn't change. So the retention behavior stays constant. Right? So far so good. So you've got the mobile phase. The mobile phase comes down to the pump. Here's the pumps. Okay? So this can take up to 2 mobile phases. And you can use a gradient. You can blend them with time. We'll talk about gradient next Friday.
Yeah.
So you have 2 pumps here, right? So these are pumping. You only have one at the moment from here. And if you were to touch this, you'd see that this one is warm because it's being maintained at a constant temperature. Okay. So it comes through, down into the injector.
Yeah.
So if you take the injector off. Okay, so it comes down just here, just in there. You see there's a syringe that moves like a robot, okay?
Sure.
And this syringe here is connected to this arm here, and this is what takes it up through here, down to here. This is a multi-port valve. Can you feel the different ports on it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-port valve. So you fill the sample loop in here by using this syringe to pull things and then push it into the and if you have a look, you see there's a little diagram telling you how it's all wired up just in there. Can you get that? You want to zoom in on that?
My zoom ain't that good.
Okay.
That's about the best.
Okay, right, fair enough. So it goes from the injector, we go down to the column. Here's the column, okay, there's the column here, right? And you can see the column's got a lot of writing on it, and it tells you what's inside the column, right? And this is all maintained at a constant temperature, right? From the column, it's then connected to the detector, right? So the last thing in the stack is the detector. And here you have the UV lamp. It says UV, don't look at it. And then you have the flow cell here, which is where the ultraviolet is a mirror and it comes back into the flow cell here. So there you have it, mobile phase, which is pumped under high pressure to the injector, the multi-port valve, and then you've got the robot that goes and picks up the samples from here and then puts them into the sample loop. Then that is switched over onto the column, which is down here. The column flows down into the detector down here. And you can see that you can put multiple columns in here, so you can do clever multi-column chromatography, but we don't have time to talk about now. And that is an introduction to your instrument.
Okay.